We're going to go ahead and get started. We checked the news. News already happened. NFP already happened. That was this great big bearish move right here, 8:30. But let's go ahead and go back to the daily time frame. Look at this bearish pressure in the markets. That's like wild. That's wild. The 13 EMA is under. Price is under the 13 EMA, so I am looking for some sells. But we do have some key levels here. We'll go down a little further to kind of see them a little more clear. Good morning, good morning. We have some target levels here of liquidity for price to come back and get. Yeah. Then we're going to go down to the 4-hour. A lot of stuff happened before all these levels. So we just had to go back because we were in unknown territory after breaking a lot of levels. Good morning, good morning. But as we can see, price stopped right here, pushed down, broke some structure, and also then broke back through that level. So I did mark this level out. This is where we are currently. Let me zoom in a little bit. This is where we are currently, this key level. We have this key level next, where price stopped and then pushed really high from. So this is a nice little level here. Technically, this could be some good liquidity to target for as well. But it's a lot of points, man. It's a lot of points in between these levels. Let's drop on down to the 1-hour. Now we're looking at current price action. Stopper right here. We can go ahead and delete this way up here. Might be a little distracting. But as you can see, this 4-hour supply level definitely held, and we are pushing to the downside. We are in a bearish trend. We have a lot of breaking structure right here. Price could potentially come back up here and then push a little bit further, or it could break through this level, retest it, and push further. Market can do whatever it wants to do. We just want to make the highest probable trade idea. Execute on that. So, as you can see, still in alignment with the higher time frame, breaking structure to the downside. Let's mark that out. Breaking structure to the downside, breaking structure to the downside, breaking structure to the downside. That was a horrible line. But y'all get the gist. We are breaking structure. We are in a bearish trend. Until price starts breaking structure to the upside, this high right here, we're not really looking for any buys. I'm certain people will probably look for buys right here to take it up. That's cool. I'm cool with my bias on the sells. We got these consistent black candles, so we could drop down to the 1 minute. As you can see, price is kind of chopping around right here. So we'll mark out the high of this and the low of this. Ideally, we want to see it break below and then create a supply zone, tap back into that supply zone to get us. That's what we're going to try to be patient for today. 1 minute time frame, same thing. We're seeing a lot of choppiness. We want to see good, strong breaks of structure like this, breaks of structure to the downside. It was kind of weak right here. We want to see a strong break. We got about 10 more minutes to market opens. How y'all doing today? Feel free to use the chat if you don't want to use the mic, but feel free to use the mic. How's y'all morning going so far?
Mine is going well, of course. I'm
Nice.
doing good.
How's mom?
Mom is good, she had a little miss yesterday, but that's because she didn't know that eating grapefruit is bad per medicine.
Mm. We live and we learn.
Yep, yep, yep.
Now we know. Oh, and I didn't even show y'all. So the space between this, let's check how much space we got to play. 420 ticks. So plenty of room to get a nice little play today. Not gonna rush it. We got time. I got time today. Yesterday's trade, after reviewing y'all, we could have had the 1 to 4 off the first trade. If we would have never, well, we probably would have got stopped out break even. But if I would have never cut my losses short, $50 short, it would have never wicked me out. It would have dropped. I would have moved my stop loss to break even. It would have hit me in break even, and then it would have dropped again further, which we could have again played the trade that we did. But yeah. Good morning, good morning. Size down, made a bigger stop loss. Okay, that's good. That's good. Banger trade nonetheless. What's up, Keno? There you go. When in doubt, bro, just size down. Size down so you can take it. Oh, you're really handsome. Look at you. All right, we locked in, though. We locked in. My bad, my bad. We got a lot of bearish pressure coming in. This is an area of interest. This is another area of interest, but we're not way up here yet. Price could really just take a little bit of this liquidity, break strong. What we're looking for is price to break really strong below, retest for a supply tap, and then go ahead and push further. We're not going to try to take, we might try to take the whole move. I don't know. It's already been a lot of bearish pressure. Once there's like a very strong drop, price likes to go back up. Hey, I know, right? Price likes to go back up and like balance that. So we want to make sure that we are being wise with our trades, being picky with our trades, being disciplined with our trades, and risk managing properly. And then we can end the trade day on a good note. I'm green for the week so far. But, gotta lock in for real. Gotta lock in. We've had 3 winning days this week. Let's see if we can play our cards right and be disciplined enough to follow our rules today. We already determined the trend. If you have your journal, you can go ahead and write this out too. Got about 5 more minutes till market opens. The trend is bearish on the higher time frames and the lower time frames. Golly. Watch it do it again. That was funny. All right, files. We're going to pull up our risk management little tracker, so we'll have that prepared. Only want to risk 250 on my trades, guys. We're now waiting for step number 2, the break of structure, so we can create our demand zone. Our supply zone. Supply is for when we're going down, demands when we're going up. Let's lock in. Can y'all see that clearly though? I feel like it's tiny, but at the same time, it's right there. I hate that they don't let you anchor it like TradingView. Like if I were to move my screen, it would move with me, but Top Step is not TradingView. Even though, look at this chart by TradingView. That's crazy. Hey, Chaos. Okay, perfect. You can see it. Chaos, I am busting down on this Monopoly girl.
Oh my God.
Man,
Look at
I
you.
be having like 200, 300, 400 rolls, be making millions, be buying my property. I own New York and I own London and I own Paris and I'm moving up.
Girl, wait till you get to the billions because it cost me like, I want to say 600 billion to upgrade my properties. I'll be stressed.
The app on my phone, Monopoly.
Monopoly Go.
Oh, Monopoly Go. Yeah. That's tough. I used to be the one that just tapped, but now I just let that John tap for me. Give me all the properties. No, for real. I realized, like, even from back then, I didn't know, like, once you put the houses on there, you get more money depending on how many houses you got on that thing. Load me up with the houses, bro. I be doing the little heists, be like hundreds of thousands of dollars, and then like breaking
I love
people's
the
stuff.
heist.
Breaking people's stuff might be 100,000 too. on me. We are consolidating right here. We want price to break out of here. I believe we can get a nice break, be patient, get a retest, take it on down. Let's see what we want to do. Let's see how much this space is to A6. Okay. Got a couple minutes. Make sure y'all use the bathroom if y'all need to. Get y'all some water. Whew. Got a lot going on today. It's a beautiful day. Let's see if it'll go get liquidity first. Price likes to go fake breakout here. I wouldn't be surprised if it came all the way up here, though, to be honest. To rebalance all of that. We're going to mark this zone out just in case it does. Want to be prepared. Who would have thunk, like, man, back in the day, I used to be in this mug getting chopped up, looking at it just like this. Hold on. Looking at it just like this on my phone. All zoomed in, like, oh, it's going to go down. Nope. That's funny. Good times. Not really, but still. Oh, snap. Good morning, good morning. Oh, no, they left. Let's put that right there. Okay. Let's be patient, man. We got about 30 seconds. Let's get crazy. I'm going to go ahead and delete this green line because we already know where market open is. It's the next candle. 12 seconds till we live. Let's get it. Kino, are you recording? Make sure you're recording. It's very important. Everything's copy traded. We're on the correct stuff. Here we go. Let's get that strong break. Let's see if it'll break. It did. Next candle I want to see. Tapping in the zone here. I do want to see it close stronger than that, though. I want to see it close way stronger than that because that's a little weak. But it's got 30 seconds. Then I'm going to put my 10 contracts on here. We're going to shoot for the 1 to 4 because we are on the 1 minute time frame. All right, let's see. I like that break. I'm going to get my sell limit ready. Let's see if it'll tap us in, guys. We can make money today. Otherwise, we got to wait for another zone to create. Dang. It may leave us behind. We may have to wait. Come on, come get us. Or just create another zone. That's cool. Looks like we might get tagged in. Maybe not. Who knows? This might be another zone created. Maybe not. Oh, now we gotta wait again. It's okay. Be patient, guys. Be patient. I'm waiting for another supply zone to create if it does not tap us in. I told y'all, take that liquidity right there, take off. Ooh, this would have been a nice little trade too, but we want something a little more concrete. Waiting for price to come and get us, being patient. All right, let's see if he'll come get us. It's got some time. Let's see if it'll create a new zone here too. Then I'll mark that out. But it has to break below it, so what am I doing? I'm too ready, too fast. I think it'll come back and get us. Not marking this zone out until we get that breakup structure. And looks like we're about to get that. It's not very strong, so I'm gonna wait till it closes to see what it wants to do for real. All right. All right. Once this closes, I'm gonna go ahead and move my entry to right there. A couple more seconds. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and move it down. Let's see if we can get a nice little trade, man. We let Mike get tapped in right here. Welcome, welcome. We're in a bearish market. We're looking for this supply zone to hit. Oh, come on. Come get us, bro. Ooh. All right. We're waiting. We're waiting. Let's get tagged in. I'm going to move my stop loss first because y'all know what happened last week. Crazy work. I am not in the trade just yet. I am not in the trade. And almost in the trade. Let's see if it'll give me a little tap. Did it leave me, bro? Nope, it didn't tap me in yet. I'm just being patient. If I gotta catch the next one, that's fine too. That's wild. Y'all see that? It's leaving us. It's leaving us. Don't leave us. How much is this zone? Same zone. Once this closes, I'll move my entry lower. We might miss out on it, gang. This finna blow me, though. All right, let's see, bro. If it leaves me, I could just have a no trade. I'm not going to chase this price, bro. I'm not going to do it. If it don't want me in there, it don't want me in there. I'm cool with that. But if it do, come get me. Yeah, I mean. Here we go. Let's see. All right, we got some wicked action right here. Let's see if it'll give us a little tap before going a little further down. Need that, bro. What we risking? 250, 250, 260, somewhere around there. 1 to 2 dubs. Nice. Did you hold it for TP2?
Order filled.
All right, we in. I'm going to put my stop loss first because y'all know what happened the last time. So 270. We're risking 270. Hopefully it don't stop us out. That would suck. Ugh. If we get close to this, I might trail my stop loss and then move my TP down here to this next zone just because we're hella bearish. All right, I'm in for the sells, guys. Once we hit 270 right here for our profit, I'm going to move my stop loss to my break even. That was a very good rejection wick. I like that. Let's see if we can get a break of this candle here and the break of these lows to continue our downward trend. I want this line to be perfect. All right, we hit 270. Risk-free trade, guys. Risk-free trade. Hopefully we don't come get wicked out. That would absolutely suck. Ah, don't get us. Bro, don't come get us. I might thug it through, bro. I might thug it through. I ain't gonna lie. Oh my gosh. It still didn't close in a zone. I like that. Let's see if it'll drop a little further. If we break this low, then I'll move my stop loss back. I'm willing to risk it for the biscuit today. Let's see. I'll take a small L right here. I'll move it right here. I don't want to move my stop too early, though. Y'all know I've been doing that lately. I'm trying to be better at just trusting my strategy. There's a TP for a reason. There's a stop loss for a reason. Let's see it break structure to the downside, man. My mom liked talking about my wedding. She's so great. Let's just breathe. Are we breathing? Y'all let me know if we breathing or not. Y'all not breathing?
I'm breathing.
Okay, cool. As long as we breathing, man. All right, let's go. Break some structure. Come on, gang. Break some structure. Let's get it. Y'all, I don't know why my camera don't be working. But y'all will see me on YouTube. My YouTube camera works. Come on, bro. Break some structure again. No. I'm breathing. My bad. I'm breathing. Y'all see it? Y'all see it dropping? Get low. Bro, stop playing. Don't stop me out, bro. Don't stop me out, bro. Go ahead and break some more structure to the downside. Let's go. No. Come on, bro. We breathing. We breathing. We chilling. We breathing. Let's go. Drop, drop, drop. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. It's trying to come get me as liquidity, bro. I know it.
Order filled.
I knew it, bro. We down $80. I'm chilling. Let's see if it comes back to this zone. It did, but I'm not ready yet. Dang. Dang, I wasn't ready. I wasn't ready. I wasn't ready. 60 ticks, I wasn't ready. Let's see. Might be in for another opportunity. 8 contracts. It already left me, so I have to wait for the break of candle. I don't want to do that. That's 170 ticks, bro. I only need like 3 contracts. If we break this low, bro, I shouldn't have moved. No, it would have stopped me out. It's okay. If I break this low, I'll be in for some sales. Again. But let's just see what I want to do, bro. It could just try to shoot higher right now. I want no parts of it. This would have been a better entry. Even closer to the zone right there. But I didn't take that either, so. We're just going to wait, bro. I will move my stop loss here. For 127, I could probably risk. Probably like 4 contracts, getting ready to sell. The perfect entry would have been right there at that tap, but obviously I wasn't ready. I'm not going to rush it. I'm going to just wait for a break of candle entry. Let's see if we'll get that in these 3 seconds.
Order
We
filled.
did. It just broke that low. So I'm in. I'm going to move my stop loss first. Risking 226. We got a level right here. I want to see what it do. In for sales again. This is the full. Oh, God, dog it. This is the full move. I think that would be 250. Yeah, oh, no, that's 300. So we're going to leave that right there. All right. There is a lot of cash down here. That is where 1 to 4 would be. I do have time to wait for it. I very well could. I might. I don't know yet. But I do like the break of candles that we hit after we tapped that zone. That was at a very key level. So I like it here. I'm going to rock with it. Last trade idea of the day. If we take a L, we still green on the week. But that would suck. Let's see some bearish pressure come into the markets. It's rejecting going higher. So let's see it. This is the drop we were waiting on. So let's see. Kind of like right off in here would be my break-even day. I'm trying to wait till we get to kind of a 1-to-1 before I move that down. But I'd like to see it come all the way down here. This might take a long time. So put on your seatbelt. Play some Monopoly Go while I'm waiting. But we're just chilling right now. I'd like to see price fall strong again, continuing bearish pressure. We're not at 10 o'clock just yet, so it might take a little minute. Nice. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? No, for real. Let's see it drop, bro. It know it want to. It keep making a new low. Like, let us see you drop, bro. The drop off? What are the drop off? What are you, insane? Trying to be patient, bro. Come on, start dropping now. Let's go. 40 seconds of hard work. Going to the downside. Come on, bro. Like, why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why? Doesn't do me that way. Again, trading should be this boring. Hopefully we can get a dub and not an L, but, you know, it is what it is. I'm going to go ahead and check the left, see if we're at a level or something that I missed. Oh, we didn't take out liquidity yet. We ain't took out nothing yet. Oh, man. Price is weaker right here on the 5-minute. I don't want to see it. I don't want to see it come way up here. Even though it could retest this up here on the 5-minute. Bruh. Y'all see this? Y'all see this? And it know it want to go down. That's the part that's blowing me. It know it want to go down. Bro, just drop. Nobody gonna be mad at you if you drop. Just like that. Just keep falling. I'd like to see it break this level strong. It's got 26 seconds. It can do that. It can. That's a good strong close to the downside. Let's see if it'll keep dropping from there. Let's see. Break structure, man. Break structure. That candle's body closed below this low. I like that. But we need it to break this low right here for us to feel more confident, to remain confident in this trade. Come on, gang. Drop 20 ticks for me. Drop 20 ticks for me. All right. I feel way more confident in this trade. Let's just see it fall from here. Where did the like, no, for real. But we got to remember NFP was earlier too. So people was probably up in there. We had that one move at 9:30. And it's just moving slow right now. We just got to be patient though. We just got to be patient. Come on, man. Fall, 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 fall. Price just got a little weak right there. Let's see what it wants to do. What's up, Armika? We being patient today, not gonna lie. Where did the volume gun markets markers? Did the big one do well up? EQ looks nasty, raging. Same 75 points. I'm knowing, bro. But we're being patient. Can you tell what trend we're in, Mika? Bearish, yes, ma'am. Price is getting weak. I might cut my losses short and just take a small L day, but we gonna sit here for just a little longer. I was supposed to have all day anyways, so I might just let it run, but still. I've been closing early all week, so I'm gonna try my best not to close early today. Good. Give us that break we need. This is basically a new zone created. Not a strong break, but let's see. 9 a.m. should bring a push. I hope so, God dog it. We got a minute. Let's see. Hopefully it don't come wick me out. Hate that. That 10 o'clock move been wicking me out too, bro. Tears of sadness. Oh, dang. We like the beeps. Can you stop the beeps though, my love? She got full volume on her headphones. Don't wake me out 10 o'clock, bro. Looks like we're taking an L day today, guys.
Order filled.
Ugh. 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 Sick, bro. Yep, I'm going to take my small L and finish on the week because I'm still green on the week, but that just blew me. This is another possible zone you could get into, but I'm cool, bro. That was some lame stuff right there, bro. First trade, we was up 400. Should have hit that break even. Bro, I don't know what's been going on with the 10 o'clock news, but they've been walking me out. Yeah, I'm out of here. Y'all have a good one. This should be on YouTube later. Bye. Thank you, my love.